Hello again, everybody. Back at Failure Filmmaking here, and we are still stuck inside, still in the home office here, but I'm kind of getting accustomed to the home office. But speaking of being at home, a couple of weeks ago, I was very slow. Had about 2 or 3 days in a row that I was very slow, and I heard a friend of mine talk about being worried that she was going to forget how to use a camera because shoots have been canceled. None of us are doing shoots. And I kind of took that to heart. And so I decided that I needed to make something. About the same time, I was having a conversation with my daughter. My wife and I were talking to her, telling her how egregiously over the top TV commercials aimed at kids were when we were little. Today, none of these kids have cable, so they don't know about as many toys and sweets and sugary cereals being advertised directly at them. And so I had a hard time explaining to my daughter how this used to look and sound and feel. And so what I decided was that I would show her. So I made a spec ad for the Girl Scout cookie Samoas and went over the top, egregious, but this is how I remember those after school ads for sweets. So here is my spec ad for Samoas.
It's time for a snack. Don't sit back, go on the attack. Samoas, 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 part of a healthy breakfast.
That was pretty good. Let's watch it again.
It's time for a snack. Don't sit back, go on the attack. Samoas, 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 part of a healthy breakfast.
I've actually gotten a lot of really good response to this. A lot of people chiming in and saying that they agree and they remember when ads were this in your face and this loud. I'm happy to say that I actually wrote that nonsensical jingle and sang it myself, all to a piece of stock music that I thought fit the mood. So I got a piece of stock music that I thought fit what I was going for, and then I wrote to it and came up with that jingle myself. Samoas! I think it works. Anyway, thanks for checking it out. I'd love to see what you're doing while you're on lockdown, and there's a little bit of thunder right there. We'll see you again soon. I'm trying to crank out more stuff because, hey, I'm trapped at home, just like you.